I think it's been really valuable for us to come here, not only to I guess give our perspective on things that we see that's good, things that's not so good out in industry, but it's also a great opportunity to have the conversations as well. So after the presentations, after the talks, we get a lot of good questions, things that we can advise on, point people in the right direction perhaps for other guidance, other tools and so on. So it's just a really good opportunity to collaborate with industry, to speak to individuals and just support them as best we can as HSE.
Yeah, it's been really, really busy. We've had so many people come to visit us, and we've had some really good conversations with people. So yeah, so it's good for us because we get to see people and interact with them on a personal level, and it's good for supporting our learning partners. And yeah, it's just good for brand awareness and keeping relevant with people.
Plenty of people here, good people here, health and safety professionals, people who are taking a keen interest. It's nice to speak to people, you can interact with people, you can talk to people in a slightly different way than you can with emails or Twitter or WhatsApp or LinkedIn. So yeah, just speaking to people face to face, it's nice.